Alright, hello and welcome. Let's build the DARK-SABER. I can remember very well when it came first up in the Clone Wars back in 2000 and I don't know, but seeing Krufisla and this special sound and black and white and it really looks like no other weapon. It's completely different even to laser sword lightsabers and so on, and obviously different to real sabers. But nevertheless, now that it has its reappearance in Mandalorian, and I built the Mandalorian figure, his ship, and now obviously I want to build his saber. So what do we do? Of course, we take his a simple piece of wood. The internet says it's a meter long. I chose a meter and a little bit more. I think a meter 8 centimeters. Cause too short looks a little bit weird. I think, especially because kind of the tip, the last 20 centimeters are kind of in an angle. Yeah, but here you can see what I did. Um, Nothing special, just sharpen it, then nice sandpaper, and then pretty special. I really put some effort this time in the handle, or the thing between the handle and the blade, like kind of the battery where the blade comes out of, I'd say. Because there you can see that I used again the technique with these small pieces of wood and the glue gun, and with this you can build really detailed, nice, and even stable constructions. And here you can see that it really worked well. Of course, you draw with an adding first on the wood, and then you can build it obviously on both sides symmetrical. But this kind of thing on the handle that is kind of in the air, like this little tip there, it's pretty stable even though it's like really thin. And yeah, worked nice, and seeing this now looks pretty good, I think. And then we came to giving it some color. First, of course, black. Yeah, simply black spray paint, and then you need duct tape, and this you put on the black, and like this you get the white edges on both sides, and then simply some details on the handle, and that's pretty much it. Pretty fast, pretty easy. I've seen a few sabers in the internet where people used even colors or even LEDs so that it can light up in the air. Um, yeah, that's kind of too difficult. But if you want to have one on your own, you've seen that it's pretty fast. You can do it on your own. Here you see it in comparison to my katana samurai sword, so it has a decent length. And yeah, now let's use it and have fun.